welcome. Safe flight back, Jen. Okay, joining me now is Kevin Frankish. Wait a minute, the suspenders threw me off. No, it's Winston C.
I tried to rip him off. He's not very happy about it.
Our digital expert is here with
the digital news du jour. So we're talking, this has been a huge conversation online. We've seen the Japanese hotels, right? And they're really small. They have these capsules, capsule hotel rooms that you can crawl into, and it gives you everything that you need. Well, in Vancouver, there's now starting to rent out closets. So we're already seeing these in condos now.
Wow.
My condo, actually, that I just got is a small one-bedroom, and I was considering a 1+1, but these bedrooms these dens now are so small, almost 100 square feet.
They pack you like sardines.
People are renting them, and you should see how much that they're going for. This is a picture of one that's out now. This is a real Craigslist ad. For $570, you can get 100 square foot of space. And it does include...
That's outrageous.
It's 100 square foot, unfurnished. You do get a sink, and you get access to all the amenities in the place, but it's 100 square foot. Can you
I don't
live in that
understand.
space?
I don't understand. Do you sleep upright? I don't get it.
I don't know.
And then whenever you need, if you needed a storage, so you have to go bug them every time you need a pair of shoes or something? You have to go to the other person's apartment?
So that's the space right there. It looks like a washroom. There's a sink there and a little bar fridge and a computer, but it's just an example of the small spaces that exist in Vancouver. This is another one. $600 for an unfurnished den.
Wow.
And one more here. This is someone's bedroom. For $430 a month, you can get this space.
That's ridiculous. Literally just a place to put your head.
And not only do you pay $430 a month, you pay a $215 damage deposit in case you hit your head on the ceiling.
Yeah, what about damage to your body and curtains staying in such a small place? Now, you want to touch really quickly on Rob Ford this weekend, Kevin Spacey.
This weekend. So this broke on Saturday, so it's a little bit older, but I feel like we should talk about it. Kevin Spacey tweeted this picture, this photoshopped image of Rob Ford and Doug Ford with him in the background, and this stems from his appearance on Jimmy Kimmel Live. You know, they wanted to, Doug and Rob wanted to take a picture with him.
They threw him under the bus.
They told him no because he didn't want to. Well, Kevin Spacey tweeted, all you had to do was ask.
Speaking of, we're asking again, Mayor. You can come visit us anytime. We're asking you now. We're no Kevin Spacey, but come
for you right here.
Right here, okay? Right here. And Dougie, right there. We'll be back with more BT right after this. Or we can Photoshop it.